I'm going to show you how to make sure that your schedule from shiftcals.com is syncing up correctly to Google Calendar on your iPhone. So before we start, make sure that you've gone off and followed the instructions on how to subscribe to the ShiftCals calendar in Google Calendar on your desktop. This has to be done from a computer and a web browser. It cannot be done from a phone. So after you've done that, open up the Google Calendar app like I have here. Click on the menu in the upper left. And you're going to look for the calendar that you added on your web browser for your shifts. And here you can see it's Ryan's work schedule and it's unchecked. So for syncing to work, you need to make sure it's checked. So I'm going to do that here. And now you need to wait sometimes upwards of 5 minutes for the syncing to occur. And you can see my shifts, my sample shifts have shown up here in red. And that's it.